Clutch plate parts and their functions. 1. Facing. The facing is the friction material attached to both sides of the clutch plate. It is typically made of high-quality materials like ceramic, organic compounds, or Kevlar to withstand heat and friction. The primary function of the facing is to provide the necessary grip between the clutch plate and the flywheel or pressure plate, ensuring smooth power transfer. It also absorbs vibrations and reduces noise during clutch operation. 2. Subplate. The subplate is a metal plate located beneath the friction material, facing. It provides structural support to the clutch plate, ensuring it remains rigid and stable under high torque and pressure. The subplate also helps distribute heat evenly across the clutch plate, preventing warping or damage due to excessive temperatures. 3. Facing rivet. Facing rivets are small metal fasteners used to attach the friction material, facing, to the clutch plate. They are designed to withstand high shear forces and ensure the facing remains securely bonded to the plate during operation. Proper riveting is essential to prevent the facing from detaching under extreme conditions. 4. Cushion rivet. Cushion rivets are specialized rivets that connect the cushion plate to the disc plate. They allow slight movement between the plates, which helps absorb shocks and vibrations during clutch engagement. This feature ensures smoother gear shifts and reduces wear on the transmission components. 5. Spline hub. The spline hub is the central part of the clutch plate that connects to the transmission input shaft. It has internal splines that match the shaft's external splines, allowing the clutch plate to slide along the shaft while transmitting rotational force. The spline hub ensures proper alignment and smooth operation of the clutch assembly. 6. Disc plate. The disc plate is the main body of the clutch plate, typically made of steel. It houses the friction material, torsion springs, and other components. The disc plate rotates with the engine's flywheel and transfers power to the transmission when the clutch is engaged. Its design ensures durability and efficient power transfer. 7. Torsion spring. Torsion springs are small coil springs located between the hub and the disc plate. They absorb and dampen torsional vibrations caused by engine power pulses, ensuring smoother engagement and reducing wear on the transmission. These springs also help minimize noise and improve driving comfort. 8. Cushion plate. The cushion plate is a thin metal plate placed between the friction material and the disc plate. It provides flexibility to the clutch plate, allowing it to absorb shocks and vibrations during clutch engagement. The cushion plate also helps distribute pressure evenly across the friction material, enhancing performance and longevity. 9. Hub plate. The hub plate is the central component that connects the spline hub to the disc plate. It is designed to withstand high torque and rotational forces while maintaining the structural integrity of the clutch plate. The hub plate ensures smooth power transfer from the engine to the transmission. 10. Wave spring. The wave spring is a specially designed spring that provides a slight cushioning effect between the clutch plate components. It helps maintain consistent pressure on the friction material, ensuring smooth engagement and disengagement. The wave spring also compensates for minor wear in the clutch assembly over time. 11. Stopper pin. The stopper pin is a small metal pin that limits the movement of the torsion springs. It prevents the springs from overcompressing or rotating beyond their designed range, ensuring proper damping of vibrations. The stopper pin plays a critical role in maintaining the clutch plate's performance and durability. 12. Friction bushing. The friction bushing is a component located within the spline hub. It reduces friction between the hub and the transmission input shaft, allowing smooth sliding movement. The bushing also helps absorb minor vibrations and prevents metal-to-metal contact, reducing wear and noise. 13. Friction washer. The friction washer is a thin, wear-resistant component placed between moving parts of the clutch assembly. It reduces friction and prevents excessive wear, ensuring smooth operation and extending the lifespan of the clutch plate. The washer also helps maintain proper alignment and pressure distribution.